Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use collagen liquid. Collagen liquid is a fantastic way to support your overall wellness. It's known for promoting healthy skin, giving you a radiant glow, and strengthening your hair and nails. Plus, it can help improve joint comfort and flexibility, making your movements feel smoother. Its liquid form also means your body can absorb it efficiently, making it a very effective supplement. When it comes to dosage, most collagen liquid products recommend taking about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Consistency is truly key here, so try to incorporate it into your routine at the same time each day. Whether you prefer to take it first thing in the morning with your breakfast or as part of your evening routine before bed, either works well. Just be sure to always check your specific product's label for precise instructions. Incorporating collagen liquid into your daily routine is incredibly simple. You can easily mix it directly into a glass of water or your favorite juice for a quick boost. Many people love adding it to their morning smoothie, coffee, or even tea. It also blends well into foods like yogurt or oatmeal, adding a nutritional punch without altering the taste significantly. Just give it a good stir to ensure it's fully dissolved. To truly maximize the benefits of your collagen liquid, remember that consistency is paramount. You won't see results overnight, but with regular use, you'll likely notice positive changes. Complement your collagen intake with a balanced, nutrient-rich diet and make sure to stay well hydrated throughout your day. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.